Rigondeaux came and went right in this area with a counter left hand, landed a beautiful shot right in the eye of Donaire, and it really hurt Donaire.
Donaire is okay, makes a verbal warning to Rigondeaux.
Oh, Donaire countered a hook right here off of Rigondeaux.
Would be the case.
But you know, he can't hit Rigondeaux. He's not trying.
Rigondeaux stayed kind of high right here until they came together. And after he stayed high, he got caught with a
There's a brilliant left hook by Donaire. This fight. I got a 3-0, 30-27 Guillermo Rigondeaux. You know, Jim Rigondeaux pop shots him first.
Yep.
Rigondeaux his skills are a little sharper so far, and that's one of the reasons.
Looping left hand by Rigondeaux, not as hard as most of the punches he's landed so far. And spend a lot of time waiting for the next big moment, but those moments are exciting enough, intense enough.
Think a little bit in terms of the scorecard.
No, well, that's, we got to respect what the judges say, but, it's a...
Rigondeaux's jab and his jab hand is winning the fight for him mainly. have a pretty even fight right now. Guys have a point to prove here. Oh, good shot by Rigondeaux.
Absolutely. Rigondeaux landing again with the left hand. There's another straight left.
Rigondeaux just showing to be the far superior fighter tonight.
Donaire